Alright, Unit 3.2, simplify the problem. Okay, let's start with example 1. Now example 1, they have this whole string of numbers and they tell you when the first 100 whole numbers are added up, what is the total? So your job is to find out when the first 100 numbers are added up, what is the total? So most of you will start doing this. Okay, 1 plus 2, then you will work out plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus whatever, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 98, plus 99, plus 100. And by the time you have finished, you are so tired. Now that is not good. Okay, this is not a good method, and we are not going to do this because we are all genius. Okay, we are working smart, we are not working hard. Okay, so let me erase all this. Let me teach you the method, and that's the reason why this is called simplify the problem. So we are going to try to simplify this. Okay, so let me write this out again. I'm going to skip all the numbers in the middle. You will see why later. Okay. Right, so these are the 100 numbers I need to add up. And I want you to observe a pattern. Okay, because remember I told you math is all about pattern. So if I pair my first number with my last number, and I add them up, 100 plus 1, that gives me 101. Right? 2 plus 99, that gives me 101 as well. 3 plus 98, lo and behold, it gives me 101 as well. So this is the pattern I want you to observe, that if I pair the first and the last, second and the second last, third and the third last, and so on and so forth, each pair actually gives me the same number, 101, if I add them all up. So my first task is to find out how many pairs. So if I have 100 numbers, I divide by 2, that tells me I have 50 pairs. So if I have 50 pairs, all I need to do is take 50 times 101, and that will give me my answer. Now, but then you see, ooh, this is going to be tough. So let's simplify it further. So 101, if you know your number bonds, is actually 100 plus 1. So I can break it up. I take 50 times 100, and then I take 50 times 1. So remember, when you multiply by 100, you just add these two zeros to your number. So it's 50 plus the two zeros, so that gives me 5,000 plus 50, and the grand total will be 5050. Okay, so that's simple. Example 2. If today is Monday, what day will it be 23 days later? So some of you will start to count. Today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday, right? So that's day 1. Wednesday, that will be day 3. And then Thursday, day 4. And then Friday, day 5, and so on until day 23, and then you find out what's the answer. Again, this is wrong because this is tedious. You're gonna cry if you do that. Okay, because it's very time consuming, it's very tedious. So again, nope, not this method. Sorry, we are geniuses. We learn the smart way. So we are going to again look for a pattern and again simplify the problem. Now, first thing I want you to observe is a calendar, or there are 7 days in a week and each day repeats itself. That means if today is Monday, next week, 1 week later, will it be Monday again? Yes. So Monday occurs all the time. So 2 weeks later, it will still be Monday. Okay, so Monday happens every week. So since there are 7 days in a week, what we can do is take 23 days, divide by 7. What I'm trying to do is to find out how many weeks are there. And if you work it out, it will be 3, remainder 2. So that means 23 days is equal to 3 weeks plus 2 days. Correct? Because each week is 7 days, so 3 weeks is actually 21 days. Plus my 2 days, I will get 23 days. Okay, so I'm going to use this same logic, the same concept to help me. Alright, so let me erase this first, and then we can start. So, if today is Monday, so today, Monday. 1 week later, it will still be Monday. 2 weeks later, it will still be Monday. 3 weeks later, it will still be Monday. So it doesn't matter how many weeks. Okay, 3 weeks later, it will still be Monday. So then 2 days after Monday, because I have 2 extra days, so 23 days is 3 weeks and 2 days. So 3 weeks later, it will still be Monday. 2 days later, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So my answer is Wednesday. Simple, right?